Alright, so I got these wires hooked up. Sometimes you just gotta test this stuff out because the wires aren't gonna be color coded how you want them. See, I kind of broke this one down to get an idea. But for this one, the white wire is gonna be your power wire. Red is gonna do your red LEDs. This black wire actually controls the green LEDs, and this green wire controls the blue LEDs. Weird, I know, but these RGB connectors, sometimes the blue and the green will be switched up. So it's just something you just gotta deal with and kind of catch on the more you do them. So, but that's how this one is set up. This particular one with these halos, these particular halos. So it might be different with yours. Just if you're using this kind, wire it up, test it out, switch it around until you get the colors right before you finish the install. But this is what's working with these. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to download this app real quick and show you how it'll work. Alright, so I'm in here. This is the app, and make sure your Bluetooth is turned on. Shout out to Team Schaefer too. I ain't watched the video yet, but you know, when I finish this one, I'm gonna take into it. But anyway, download your app, and the code comes with it, so make sure your Bluetooth is on. Go ahead and plug this up, my power source. Alright, so you can see everything is lighting up, but get in here, add group. We'll just make up something. Alright. New device. And this is my first time doing this one too, so we're gonna learn this together. Let's see how long this stuff take to work. Alright. Alright, here we go. Confirm. Alright, let's get in here. Alright, here we go. So just like that, you know, whatever colors you need should be there. So it's pretty cool. Figure out why this keep going in and out, but function. So not bad. It's actually pretty quick. White strobe. Not bad. Yeah, okay, so I guess this one goes off the voice, so that's pretty cool. So you got some options on here. Camera. Yeah, I'm not sure how this whole camera setting would work, but you know, whatever. You got a lot of options you can do. But that's pretty much it. And you know, pick what you want. It's on and off. Not bad. So maybe this will help y'all out if you're thinking about doing the Bluetooth controller. You haven't done one before, or you're just curious to know how they work. So this should get you an idea of how everything is. So, I'm putting this in 2 videos. So I have this as a video by itself, and then you might see this again if you watch the full build video for these. So, you know, wherever you're at with this, if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe and come back and see what else I got going. But this is going to be it for today. So I'll talk to y'all on the next one.